In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by accessing Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on General Management. Then click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones, or tap on the chosen one and click on the switcher here. When you're ready, you can tap on more typing options and manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!